Hello traders and welcome to this week's market outlook from Exness. I'm Michael Stark, Financial Content Manager, and in this video I'm going to be giving a potential idea for a trade over the next few days, some of the primary narratives that are driving the possible movement, and what traders who were to take the position would need to be aware of. But before that, let's look back at the performance of last week's idea. Last week the idea was for a potential buy for gold from the area of $1,950 with an initial target of $1,975. The idea was fully accurate and then some, with the price having moved up currently to reach around $1,992. So congratulations traders if you were to take that idea, but please remember that performance in the past does not guarantee results in the future. Now for this week's idea, we're looking at platinum, which is a more exotic idea perhaps than gold, but it has the potential to move further up. After the price has been quite a long-term downtrend, which is marked by the two white lines, which are the boundaries of the channel, and fairly decisively rejected around the latest low, there's been quite a strong bounce, and the price has also recovered from the situation of selling saturation, and now it seems to be poised to break out from the upper boundary of the channel. Currently, there's no indication of overbought, so it seems to be possible that the price could move up to retest highs reached in the third quarter around the area of 960 to 970. The primary narratives driving this potential move up by platinum are the focus on the Fed and its relatively lower hawkishness and inflation in the USA. It now seems to be practically certain, according to traders' expectations from CME FedWatch 2, that the Fed is going to leave its bank rate on hold at the next meeting in December and in January. That in turn is driven by greater than expected progress on inflation, with the latest release of inflation from the USA lower at 3.2%. The counterpoint to these narratives is that demand from China has been significantly lower in 2023 so far, with headwinds being faced in the Chinese economy. If traders were to take this position, they would need to be aware of the minutes from the Federal Open Market Committee's latest meeting, which are coming out at 7 o'clock in the evening GMT on Tuesday, the 21st of November. So in summary, the idea for this week is a potential buy for platinum with a possible target around 960 to 970. The key narratives are metals generally being in focus and the Fed less likely to hike its rate further, more likely to start cutting sooner next year. And what traders mainly would need to be aware of this week is the minutes from the FOMC. Wish you success in this idea. Make sure to trade responsibly. Please remember there's just an idea for a trade. It's not a signal. It's not a guarantee of success. Always do your own research and manage risk.